I have a story to share with you guys. So it's actually very common for HDB owners to hack half of the wall or the whole wall of the kitchen or the bedroom, correct? As part of the resale transaction, the HDB officer is required to go down to the unit to check if there are any unauthorized renovation. According to clause 14.4 of the HDB OTP, if there are any unauthorized works done, the seller has to reinstate back to its original state before the sale can complete. So my seller ran into a situation where HDB couldn't find the renovation permit in their system, and neither could my seller's previous ID. Like, what? Which means to say, right, my seller is actually obligated to reinstate the wall back to its original state if HDB says that this is a unauthorized renovation. This means that if there is any delay with the reinstatement, we may potentially delay the completion, and my seller will potentially need to pay the late completion interest. So luckily, HDB has the hacking permit for the kitchen wall, but they don't have the hacking permit for the bedroom wall. So what I did was that I quickly asked my sellers to go and check and dig for any hard copy or soft copy of their reno contract with their previous ID to show that actually the hacking works are supposed to be done at the same time. To cut the long story short, in the end, HDB didn't deem this as unauthorized reno, and so that my sellers didn't have to do any reinstatement. Wah, heng sia. So moral of the story is you need to keep the HDB reno permit and the contract that you have with your reno contractor. Okay, bye.